most accurate local forecast starts now with Chief Meteorologist Eric Finkenbinder.
We're starting off with a time lapse in Hummelstown. Let's clear the plate. Let's empty the area. There's the snow that we did have left over from last weekend. And watch as we did warm into the 40s, even near 50, gone. So we clear that snow for the most part as we prepare ourselves for a lot more here by Sunday. So temperatures, this is nice. And I keep mentioning last time will probably be above freezing for the remainder of this month, perhaps even into at least the first couple of days of February. So let's zoom out. This is the Arctic reload. We see that now. 11 and below in Bismarck, 2 below in Minneapolis. This is what's going to be dropping down. And by the way, this high pressure, this Arctic air that drops down, that was really providing a lot of the steering as far as where we were trying to figure out where this larger storm was going to be going, because sometimes that can be quite bullish and push everything to the south. But I kind of think we are in that sweet spot. We've got the cold air established and we're getting enough of that moisture. So sometimes everything's got to come together just about perfectly to get a storm like this. As we show you in our precision cast of Saturday, we're going to be dry. It's not until Saturday night, but I would even push that into late Saturday night, almost early Sunday morning. So more like 4 in the morning, 3, 4 in the morning, we'll start to see some of that snow. So by daybreak, it's snowing. And meteorologist Brett Thacker will be here Sunday morning, and he's likely going to be showing you some thumping snow about to 2 inches per hour for at least a little while, because that's when we're going to see the heaviest Sunday morning. Heading into Sunday afternoon, evening, it is still snowing. So all day it will be snowing. So we've got a long stretch. But here is sort of the one question that we are still watching. That area in pink is sleet that's mixing in. We do feel some of us, especially into Lancaster, York counties, maybe seeing some sleet mixing in. That only just shrinks the amount of snow a little bit. I still think this is going to be primarily a long duration snow here throughout the day on Sunday, and it's gone Sunday night. That gives us all Monday then to clean up. I want to talk more about amounts. So those of us that may see some sleet mixing in, I would say it's closer to the 8-inch range. Those of us that see all snow, I would say, yeah, 12, 13, 14 inches of snow is going to be quite common in the area. As we extend this out, that is not the only big story. So yes, we just have our snow map out, 8 to 14 inches of snow. But I want to focus on Monday and then into next week too, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And what I mean by that is it is going to be very cold, but Monday, as we clean up, just notice the winds do increase then heading into Monday evening. With it being somewhat of a powdery snow, there could be some drifting snow then Monday evening. So when you do all of the cleanup thinking, all right, we're good to go, keep in mind those winds will increase a little bit Monday evening. Also, we are challenging record lows. Next Tuesday, our forecast low is 2 below. The record low is 2. Same thing Wednesday and Thursday. We are within a few degrees of record lows almost all of next week. So I think that's just as important as talking about Sunday's storm too. We have a long duration of some Arctic air.
Yeah.
Great, thank you, Eric. We have some breaking news in the NFL world.
Yeah, the Baltimore Ravens have a new head coach. John Harbaugh left the team after 18 seasons. He became head coach of the New York Giants. Dennis Owens joins us.